my wonderful women out there. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's going to be new today in Shivani Boutique? It's like these stuff which I'm wearing. It's a noel fabric with value added. You can see all stones glittering jilly kind of, and then the second is going to be like pure handloom Tessa silk sarees with value added items. Let's start this show. The first saree is this, same to same, but it's a beige color with contrast matching sky blue color border where you can find minute works. It's all stones stones being stuck all over the borders. Alright, see, the saree is pretty good and very comfortable to wear as well. So this is the pallu part. What to say, all these are stone works. So this is the border portion. Alright, and this is the blouse part. These three sarees are pure tassel silk sarees where you can find minute hand embroideries. It's like ari work, so much of bead work and also stone works are found in these sarees. So all are of different concepts, but the stuff is one and the same. So let me open this pink color and saree and show you guys. See this. So this is the pallu part. Can find that works, and then all over both the sides you can find border, and this is the blouse part for this. Look. The next saree is this. It's a half mixed fabric, actually speaking. So how to name the fabric? It's very difficult. You can find beautiful Parsi work, hand embroidery all over the saree. So the beauty of the saree is the hand embroidery Parsi work saree, and it can be found all over. Shoulder pallu you can find big motifs, and for the rest of the pleat area it comes this way, small motifs, and this is the blouse part for this. Next saree is this. This is also Parsi work saree. It's a mixed fabric, actually speaking. It's really soft where you can find kata work, and these are all Parsi works, and it comes all over the body. That is this shoulder pallu portion. Yeah, and then for the body as well, down here and there, and it comes along with a contrast matching tissue blouse where you can find Parsi work on both the sleeves, and this is for the back, kata work. Half chanderi saree is this, where you can find very beautiful kata work saree. It's all fully hand embroidered. It is called as kata work all over. So shoulder pallu it comes this way, and rest for the pleat area it comes this way. And then this is the blouse part for this. These three are different colors in half tassel saree, where the work here is a kata work. This is the first color, second color, and then the third color. So let me open this saree and show you. So this is a contrast matching green color pallu with peachish pink color saree. This is the saree. Alright, and see, this is the shoulder pallu portion, and rest of the portion comes this way, half and half. And this is the saree, full saree, it comes this way, and the blouse is also a contrast matching blouse. The pallu and the blouse are the same. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, or else just click the link above we have mentioned in our video, or else 95855017662. We are at your service. Hope you enjoyed, had a colorful episode this time. Thank you so much. We'll meet meet you soon with loads and loads of delicious. Bye bye.